Dad. It can't take this long.
Any sign of him?
No, not yet.
Well, what a time to run out of
IBRACORP.
gloomy Sunday, huh?
It will be if he doesn't get the buckwheats.
Take it easy, boys. He'll be right back.
I wish you'd hurry up. I'm getting hungry.
Well, it happened. We ran out of...
IBRACORP YouTube videos.
And Sunday just isn't Sunday around here without...
IBRACORP.
Here he comes. He's here, David.
Well, I made it. Hiya, boys.
Hi, Pop.
Harry, guess who I bumped into downtown?
Did you get the mix, Pop?
Oh, the...
IBRACORP.
Here you are, Dave.
Oh, thanks. Stay where you are, Mom. I'll fix him.
Harriet, guess who I bumped in?
How about my...
IBRACORP.
Pop?
Oh, here you are, son.
Thanks.
Oh, that should be plenty, boys.
Well, I'm not so sure about that, Harriet. Thorny's coming over, you know.
Thorny.
Well, yeah, I tried to tell you. I met him down at the market. I beat him to the last package.
Never a dull moment, folks. Now that...
IBRACORP Technologies.
We Nelsons love them, of course, and suggest you try them, too.
My, they're good.